Hey guys, welcome back. Part number 2. In this bucket I put baking soda and white vinegar. Rinse it up. I let it soak about 30-35 minutes. In the next bucket, rinse it up. If you see any rust around, you can clean it with a brush. And I want to show you before and after how the way it looks like. Before and after. This stuff worked really well, guys. See the dumbbell right there? I decided to paint the color red, right? I know your granddaddy used to work out with Billard vintage way in the basement or in the garage. My granddaddy too. Alright guys, as I told you before, I use the black color because I really like black. Also have the stamp that say made in the US right there. Making sure you guys use gloves and mask for your own safety. Stay tuned and I see you in the next one. I wanna keep posting Dan Lurie, Wader, Gold Gym, Hawksman, all of the vintage way. Thank you for watching.